Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Moua. Myself Nimisha Mehta. We have started our English textbook grammar and today let's start our writing skill as a essay. I already sent as per chapter these both the essay. First one, water elixir of life or the importance of water. Life of both animal and plant is impossible without water. Without water, man will die of dehydration. About 70% of the human body is water. Do you know in science? Okay. Of the total surface of the earth, 75% is water, and just below the surface of the land in most areas there is a saturated layer known as the water table. Animals and plants have large percentage of water in them, and some animals regulate their movements according to the water sources. If there is no water, there can be no life. The moon is a sterile desert because there is no water in it. It is to be remembered that it was water that determined the location of human settlements, and without the river Nile, the Egyptian civilization would not have developed. The longest river on the world, this Nile. The Nile provided the Egyptians facilities for irrigation and transport. As Herodotus said, Egypt is the gift of the Nile. The urban man rarely thinks of the importance of water. When he needs water, all he has to do is to turn on the tap. The only time the urban folk become aware of the importance of water is when there is a drought and their water supply is regulated. If water rationing becomes too drastic, they may find themselves in a worse position than the rural man who may have a steady supply of water from his well. Imagine a day when the taps ran dry. Mr. Townsend would have found life intolerable. He could not brush his teeth, have his shave, or have his bath in the morning. After lunch, he would have had a very difficult time trying to wash up. He might have to use cloth to wipe his crockery. He could not wash his car at the end of the day. However, our Mr. Townsend would have realized that water is precious and he should not be a water waster. In our daily life also, save water, save life. Do you know? Very less fresh water on the world. Okay? Scientists find water the most fascinating fluid in the world because of its versatility and usefulness. Electricity is generated by the force of running water. These windmills. Okay. Unlike other substances, water expands when freezing takes place. In ancient Rome, snow was used to pack prawns and meat. Ice is used for refrigeration. Water is converted into steam and used as power. Whatever man eats is depend on water for its growth. Do you know plants, vegetables? Okay. Water can convert whole barren tracts of land into luxurious, rich and fertile regions through the use of irrigation. In parts of Spain, diminishing quantities of rain have caused fertile land to dry up in the past years. So use water scarcely. Okay, most of us who take our daily supply of water for granted may not be able to fully appreciate the importance of water. Many have perished through lack of water. Military men know that the most effective way of subduing any city or fortress is to cut its water supply. So save water, save life. From this compo you understand how to use water, importance of water. Next essay is modern invention. So it is an age of science. Discoveries and inventions are taking place. Science helps men to manufacture a pin and also a jet plane. Okay, learn this both compo for semester exam. Out of 2 I ask 1. Okay, next writing skill is paragraph writing. Traits of a good photographer I given as per PDF unit wise. So learn these traits of a good photographer. And also next paragraph is, do you know in that chapter 6, last chapter we studied superstitions. Most Indians are superstitions. Our beliefs in many customs, rituals, practices, luck, lucky charms and good and bad omens are instances of superstitions. For example, many people believe it is unlucky if a black cat crosses the path, or if someone sneezes just as one is about to leave the house on an important mission. Do you know these our ancient people believing? People refuse to stay on the 13th floor or refuse to get associated with number 13. Some prefer to travel only on particular days of the week. These beliefs, yes, because they are supposed to be auspicious. Everyone has a good time and a bad time for doing things and making decisions, especially if they are important ones. If something goes wrong, blame is accorded to the evil eye or to the horoscopes. So as per that, superstitions is generally based on fear. When a person does not have confidence in himself and is weak intellectually and morally, he takes recourse to superstitions. He blames his failure on bad luck, bad omens and the like. Okay, as per that paragraph you learn out of 2. 1 I ask in our semester exam and I also give choice. Okay, do more and more revision in this situation. Stay home, stay safe.